In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive history. If you've been opening, previewing, or sharing files and want to clear that activity from your Google account, this walkthrough will show you the exact clicks to remove it safely and cleanly. First, open your browser and head to Google Drive's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account whose history you want to delete. If you use more than one account in the same browser, double check that you're on the correct one to avoid clearing the wrong activity. Next, look to the top right corner of the Drive window and click your account icon. This is the circular avatar where your profile image or initial appears. A small menu will open. From here, select Manage Your Google Account. This takes you out of Drive and into your main account settings where Google stores controls for privacy, data, and activity. Inside your account settings, find and click My Activity. This is the central hub that records your actions across Google services, including Drive. Think of it as your activity timeline. Things like file openings, previews, and certain interactions are logged here so you can review or remove them. Once you're on the My Activity page, click Delete Activity. You'll see options that let you choose how much to delete. Typically, you can pick the last hour, last day, all time, or set a custom range. Choose the option that fits your situation. If you only need to clear recent actions, last hour or last day is a safer choice. If you want a full reset, all time removes everything associated with this Google account's activity history. After you select your time range, review any notices on the screen so you understand what's being removed. Deleting activity clears history data from your account, but it does not delete your actual Drive files or folders. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. Google will process your request and show a confirmation message. Finally, click Close to exit the prompt. That's it. Your Google Drive history tied to this account has been deleted. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This action can't be undone, so make sure you truly want the selected period removed. If multiple devices or apps are signed into the same account, the deletion applies across them since it's account-based, not device-based. And remember, clearing activity is about privacy and cleanup. Your documents remain intact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Google Drive history with confidence.